winner of the most creative recipe, Donna De Leon, Spiced Lentil Cookies. This recipe shows a lot of imagination. One of the things you do is dye lentils with hibiscus tea to get a beautiful pink topping. You make a really strong cup of hibiscus tea, let the lentils soak in that for 24 hours, and then dry them out on some paper towels. They don't go into the oven or anything. You just kind of dry them, let them hang out, and they get crispy and crunchy. That was something very creative that I had never tried before. One of the other steps was toasting the lentil flour. This is red lentil flour that you toast, and that forms the base of your cookie. Then to make the dough for these cookies, we are taking the classic cookie ingredients, right? We've got butter, sugar, but we're upping the nutrient value by using coconut sugar. You can also do a vegan cookie and use coconut oil here, as stated in the recipe. One of the things I really liked about this recipe is that it makes a small batch. So only about 12 cookies, and I'm doing this by hand because the quantity I don't think is big enough for my mixer. We're just using half a cup of lentil flour, but that's going to contain about 9 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. So that's going to help keep your blood sugar balanced, along with these wonderful spices, cardamom, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon. These are all booster foods. So it's going to create flavor and nutrient density. Hibiscus powder, it's loaded with antioxidants, supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. It's liver protective. And don't forget, we're using the hibiscus tea to dye the lentils for the topping. So we've got hibiscus and lentils in both the cookies and the topping. And we've added 2 flax eggs to this. So that's 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, which is going to be about 6 more grams of fiber. And this is a really soft dough, but it rolled out fairly easily with my rolling pin between 2 pieces of parchment. And this is going to then go in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up so that you can work with it. I don't have a cute little heart cookie cutter like Donna has, so I just used a glass to cut my cookies from the dough, which worked pretty well. The recipe also suggests that you can just roll the dough into balls and then press down into flat cookie shapes before you bake them, which I tried as well with the scraps, and that worked really well too. Those go into a 300-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you need to cool them for a full 30 minutes. While they're cooling, you can make your ganache by taking warmed cream, or in this case we use coconut milk, and pouring it over chocolate chips to melt them. Fat from the cream and the butter, as well as the protein from the lentils, the fiber from the lentils, and the flax are going to make this a really nice blood sugar balanced cookie. And it's beautiful. Look at that finished product with those beautiful red lentils on top.